Jeez. This is the deadliest week of the world in Rhode Island. You know why? World record snowfall. 6 feet. All together this week and next week. Oops. Upside down. Today, 19. This is what my weather says. Today, 19 inches. Tomorrow, 25 inches. Wednesday, 4 inches. Thursday, 22 inches. Friday, 2 inches. Monday, 14 inches equals 86. Guys, do you know how tall that'll be? That'll be up to right here. Yo, you gotta stay indoors in this. This is not a joke. If this was a joke, I would not be uploading this right now. Dude. I think I should record it for a world record, bro. This will be 2 feet taller than my dad's car. Dude, it will be taller than the door. Probably be like, at my school, there'll probably be like 12 inches of snow with the clouds. Wow, crazy. What the heck? It's insane. How is this a regular week? This is not Yo, whoever comes down here, just tell them I'm beating it. 86 inches in total. I gotta write over this paper because what I wrote with does not have ink at all. Surprised I didn't say that. Dry erase, baby. But dude, we gotta stay indoors for like probably 2 months if it's that much. Guys, you know how crazy? That is 6 feet. The record snowfall ever in Pawtucket? 5 feet. The blizzard of 1978. Nope. That will not be a world record forever. Damn. And yesterday I got a blizzard warning. So you have to stay indoors. So 6 p.m. all the way to Monday, have to stay indoors. And if you have a generator, goodness, you got luck. Because I have a generator at my dad's house. Good. But jeez. Dude, it's going to be higher than me. How am I going to get home after this? What am I saying? Damn it. Dude, we really got a lot of snowstorms. Today, blizzard. Tomorrow, blizzard. Thursday, blizzard. Monday, blizzard. Damn. Dude. So, you know what I'm writing in the post? You know what I'm writing in the post? In the posts? 4 blizzard warnings in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. No. I'm gonna tell you where you live for you to get this crap. If you live in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Delaware, Virginia, West Virginia, South Virginia, probably Georgia, probably Florida, probably Texas, they get a lot of snow, probably Louisiana, probably, obviously Michigan, what's it called again? Minnesota, Wisconsin, however you pronounce it. Jeez. Montana, Wyoming, Washington, California, Oregon. Utah, however you pronounce it, Illinois, and this is for real. They might all get snow, especially on the north. These places are 100% getting snow. Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, New York, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Oh, why did I forget about Delaware also? Those? New Jersey, obviously. Bro. So, like, if you live anywhere in the United States, snow is either expected or possible. Over here, it's expected. 100% chance.